There is,
That's all. Only those two.
there's boniaradi@gmail.com.
Straight away, are you married? And the name of your spouse?
If I'm married,
Yes.
meaning to the
You
name.
have a wife?
Do I have a wife? Definitely, yes.
I know.
Lidia Care.
Right away, I will refer you to a complaint letter. The same has been marked as DMFI2. It was among the documents that were furnished by the prosecution. I want you to look at that letter and who are the authors, the address of the authors. I believe there are two people.
Yes, it's from, there's one, Aradi Bonventure.
Confirm that is you. You know your name.
No, I'm confirming the signature.
Okay.
That's my signature. That's me. Dumu.
Do you know her?
Very well.
Okay. Who is she to?
She's my second wife.
Very well. But you've equally stated that you only have one wife. That is what you said.
Counsel.
It's simple. That
Yes.
is what you have said.
But the law doesn't.
Just said Lydia.
Doesn't.
No, it's simple.
Mhm.
What have you said before?
You've asked if you have a legal wife, and I told you yes.
I didn't say legal. I asked if you have a wife. You said Lydia.
Mhm.
Confirm that to the court.
There's Lydia. There's also Nancy.
There is that. That is okay. You stated. So I'll refer you to another document. On the part of the defense, you have marked it as DMFI3. It's a replying affidavit sworn by the witness before court. It's High Court petition, Human Rights Petition, E657 of 2024. I want you to have a look at it. I've already highlighted the statement I want you to read out to the court. First of all, confirm that you are responding to that matter.
Let me confirm.
Just the first page.
Signatures. It's good to confirm all the documents.
No, I'm just looking just to confirm that I responded. That you are a part, in simple terms, you are a part.
Yes,
to that
yes,
petition.
yes.
That's petition number?
It's petition number HCCH RPET stroke 657 stroke 2024.
So since you have checked for for the signature. Confirm you're the one who swore that affidavit. That reply affidavit. Remember, this is something you filed in court and you swore to it as you answer that question.
Yes.
Thank you. Now read should be paragraph 6. Just read it to the court. It's very brief.
That my wife, Lidia Nyagala, and her cousin, Nancy Nyagala were also employees of the same company at the same time. And thus, it is of no confusion who my wife and children's mother is and whom. This wasn't for me. You know, we've been in and out of court with you guys, and you've doctored some documents previously. Yes, yes. Yes.
I want to put it to you that the advocate who assisted you in drafting this affidavit is equally difficult. Confirm, just confirm. The advocate goes by the name of Kenyans, Mutai and Associate Advocates. That's the law firm.
Yes, I do acknowledge that. Yes.
So from this statement, it confirms Lidia is a wife.
You can say so.
But it says Nancy is the cousin of the wife.
But I can also date her. The law doesn't disclaim me from doing the same.
I just want to
Yes.
So there is no confusion from the same statement. There is no confusion who your wife is and the mother of the children and who is not.
Same way, Brian has Mweni, who lives in one of the apartments, and he also has Lona. Does the law disclaim me from having two?
You don't know those.
Yes.
It's okay.
Yes.
You know we are like okay. Now equally, there is this miscellaneous application that was filed by the prosecution or the investigating officer.
And I'll go to assistant here. Thank you.
I've highlighted where you can have a look at it. We have produced that, we have produced it as BMFI 4. The miscellaneous application is dated its name, the case number is E3978/2024. I will just refer you to the supporting affidavit in one of these miscellaneous applications by one CPL John on how he has referred you from Nancy's perspective. Confirm that you have stated your husband and wife.
Is the above application, is it concerned with the above court?
Yes.
What was your question again?
Just confirm that person has stated Nancy is aware. Nancy Nyagala declared.
Where is it written over here? Which
It's
number?
highlighted, it's highlighted.
Number?
For ease, just look at the highlight. It's very clear. Use your specs, please.
So this is a supporting affidavit by James Nzioka.
Yes.
That's not Aradi, that's not me.
Now, it's simple.
Yes.
I'm not asking you. Just confirm what you are saying.
Him-
That's one.
He has said that the complainant in this matter is Nancy Nyagala.
Okay. And who is it? Who is she?
It's written here, Kenyan, female, adult, and a business lady in Nairobi.
Okay.
Yes.
Oh, that's fine. That is okay. You are one of the directors of Golden Key Consultants, right?
I am.
Okay. For you to support that, you produced a number of documents here regarding registration and confirming that you are a director, right? I don't think the prosecution can assist her. Registration. Very well, I can just assist you with mine. I wanted to confirm, before it became Golden Key, what was the name?
There was also a Golden Key.
Okay. I just wanted to confirm the date of registration of that Golden Key Travel Consultants.
From your document, it shows,
Documents that were registered.
from the document, it says 2nd, 3rd, 2023.
Thank you.
Yes.
Have you had a look at the church sheet? The prosecution can confirm this. It says the diverse dates between 1st January 2022 and 31st January 2024. That is when the alleged offense occurred.
Very true.
So, if it started on 1st January 2022, that means that was before Golden Key was even registered. Confirm that. It's a matter of date.
If we go via the dates, it doesn't mean that the business wasn't established before. It is just like any bank going under
Okay.
receivership.
We are dealing with
What happens?
documents.
Yes.
I'm not an expert in company law. I'm not an expert in company law. Simple. 2nd of March 2023. And the offense started in 1st of January. So the offense started before the company was even registered, right?
The company was still running.
According to this document. Let me refresh my question.
We have the business name, then we have the limited, but
It's
before,
simple.
yes,
I'm using the business name of Golden Key. I'm not going to Golden Key.
you're using Golden Key.
I'm using Golden Key, which was the 2nd of March 2023. It's simple. Which one comes before? The offense or the registration of the company? Let me refer to that.
If the company is still running, then you can still register it.
If I will move on from that question, here you don't want to answer it. I'll refer you to now that change of name from Golden to Golden. It's a certificate. It was produced as PMFI 8A. PMFI 8B, that change of name. From Golden Key Travel Consultants to Golden Key Travel Consultants. The same is dated 16th of January 2024. You produced that in court. Again, I ask you this question. If the offense started on 1st of January 2024, this company is being registered 2 years later, on 16th of January 2024. Does that make sense to you?
Yeah, it does make sense. It's just like any bank going under receivership. What happens? Do the clients?
Yeah.
Yes. Do they track down their accounts, or it still continues?
Okay, you
Yes.
have stated you're a director, right?
Very true.
Are there other directors?
Yes.
Okay. You also provided a CR to prove that.
Very true.
So how many directors do you have apart from you?
There are 3.
Like your before court.
Yes.
Do you have a resolution to show?
I think there is. Yes.
Yourself. Have you given the prosecution that resolution in simple terms? Because you have not been given, let me assist with that.
I'm the director with a company, and under the Society Act, I'm allowed to be here.
So within your state society, it is a company, it's a society.
Sorry, under the Companies Act of 2015.
You still need a resolution of you're a director, you should know this. Anyway, so in simple terms, you don't have that resolution. You've come here as the majority shareholder in simple terms. Right?
You can put it that way.
Now, I'll ask you again, have you had a chance to see this charge sheet?
The first one, the second one.
Nah, the amended, the one that I just wanted to read on who the complainant is. So it's a complainant and address.
The first charge sheet or the second, the amended one.
Yeah, the amended one.
Okay.
Yes. It's dated 4th of November. It's not a
It,
stamp, but they'll be.
you want me to read it? Or?
No. There's part called complainant and address. It's on paper. It's on the first page.
Let me see your charge sheet. We have several.
Complainant and address.
Yeah, it's here from the charge sheet here. It says complainant and address. Golden Key Travel Consultant.
Yeah, that's it. Key travel consultants sending money to Brian Obare. I'm very specific.
Yes.
Just asked about
Yes.
Golden Key. I'll say Golden Key.
Yes.
It's
Say,
not an individual statement.
when you
I'm
say
asking you and Golden Key.
when you say Golden Key, it has employees.
No.
And yes,
asking
we
you. Okay,
produced.
Let me rephrase my question.
Yes.
From an account by the name of number by the name of Golden Key, heading to Brian Reeves Obare.
There's employees who
No,
send
it's
money.
simple.
Yes.
An account of Golden Key.
Employees of Golden Key send money to Brand. The same. Yes.
Well, Brian Obare. It's very simple. It's like me asking you, me, I'm Tessa to you, Tessa now.
There's M-Pesa, and maybe your company.
No, I'm not a company. A company is a legal person.
Okay, very true.
Yes, thank you. And that is what I'm asking you. A company as a legal person, Golden Key, money to you, sorry, to Brian Obare, sorry.
Golden Key has employees who send money to Brand.
It is very simple. This is a very simple question.
It
I
is
don't
not
know
a
why
simple-
you're complicating matter.
There's no complication.
Okay,
If
so
Golden
I will
Key
take
is
it
a-
that
Is an entity and has employees, and the same employees send money to Brand.
I am coming there.
Yes.
I am coming there.
I'm waiting for you. Come there.
Okay.
Yes.
Now let me go to that. You're saying employees were sending money, right?
Very true.
On behalf of the company, right?
Very true.
I want to show the resolution giving those employees authority to do that.
You have the
I just
The
want
let-
a company resolution. It is very simple.
there is a resolution. There's a company employment letters that we served you
No.
guys.
You know, it is a company. You need to understand, as a director, you should be aware how companies make decisions.
You have
and we
everything.
make it through the resolution.
Definitely.
I'm just asking, where is that resolution authorizing these people to make such?
Have you gone through the letters of employment and contract of each individual?
Everything is there. There is no resolution and confirmed to you.
Resolutions are here. Were you not served?
Resolution.
Yes.
The prosecution servers. Please, if it's an employment contract given by, I want what was given by the prosecution. I will take it that you do not have it, so I send on the court side.
It's there.
I will give it back to you because it was not given by the prosecution, so you cannot engage in trial by ambush. Right away, still on the documents for establishment of this company, you had a permit by the City Council of Nairobi, or County Council, for your business.
Yeah, definitely.
Okay. I want you to have a look at it. On the effective date, let me underline this on the court side. It's in a law. We have produced it at DMFR 5. When is it becoming effective?
This one from your dates. 28th February 2024. Expiring in 18th March 2025.
Confirm that is after what is stated in the church. Church speaks about 1st January 2022 to 31st January 2024. Confirm it is after. It's about dates. Very simple. Just a yes or no.
Yes.
I was just trying to confirm, is it after? This starts on 28th of February 2020.
Yeah, that shows Golden Key now. It has become Golden Key has become a limited company.
Okay.
Yes.
On the church, the last date 31st of January 2024. That's the last date of the alleged offense.
That's it.
Last date of the alleged offense in the church. But this permit is for 28th February 2024. The date it becomes effective and it runs up to 18th of March.
Yeah, that's a permit for Golden Key, yes. But the business was still running prior to,
I
yes.
just want you to confirm it is after the alleged offense.
But the business was, Golden Key came after. It was Golden Key.
I want you to answer my question, not your question. Right? So, the charge states the offense started in January 2024 to January 2024.
Yeah, that's the time you started receiving money, yes.
But your permit starts on 28th of February 2024
Golden,
to 18th March 2024. I just want you to say that is what the document says, not what you want to say.
Golden Key was registered in 2024. That's what I'll say.
Is okay. No problem on that. Now, since you are eager to tell us that your employees were permitted to transact on behalf of the company,
Very
and
true.
you even mentioned the employment contracts, I want you have a copy of that employment contract. Give him any. Go to the last page.
Yes, as the one who signed.
Okay. I want you to check at the date of when those contracts are being signed. Just
third
checking the
day,
date.
this is the third day of 2022.
2022, right?
Yes,
Third day
of March.
March.
Yes.
The company is
But the company is Golden.
Garden Key, right?
Yes.
And equally, your advocate has even stamped the same advocate before that, right?
Yes.
Same one time. Start of March. Confirm that is before even Garden Key was registered. It was registered around March 2022.
Yes.
So it was before, right?
Yes.
Thank you. That's all I wanted. Another thing, I don't know how many employment documents you have.
How many do you have?
Okay, how many employees do you have?
Employees of the company?
Yes.
We have like 7.
Like 7.
Yes.
I have a number here. And I want you to confirm that all of them are employed on 3rd of March 2020. All of them, including the HR.
Yeah, this is a contract for employment, yes.
Just look at the last page. Don't have to look at any other signing.
Yes, this is a contract for employment, yes.
I'm not confident. Don't want you to confirm their contracts. We all agree their contracts. Just confirm all of them were signed on 3rd of March 2020.
This is one of them, yes.
Yes, look at another. We even have other copies. 3rd of March also.
Yes.
Another.
Still?
Any of my copy. Another thing. Still on those contracts, just look at that first page. You have a logo. Can you read that logo? Take note, the logo. You can use your spec.
Yes, yes.
Yeah. It is your company. It is your logo.
Yes, the logo is Golden Key.
No, the one on top.
The one on top is
There's
Golden Key.
below, but there's golden key above.
That's not, that's an A.
Okay.
That's Golden Key.
Okay. Since my teachers failed me, but it's okay. So, still on those contracts, I believe all of them have the same clauses. Just one, and refer to paragraph 3K on duties of the employee. Three. You're there?
3?
3K. Yes, sorry. So 3K.
Yes, I'm there.
It's duties of the employee, right? Let me read it to you several times.
Please.
Should and must ensure the day's records of business are sent and delivered to the director through email or WhatsApp message before close of business, right?
Very true.
So all money that is received, everything has to be updated to you before close of business, right?
Yeah, any person who in authority, yes.
Yes. The ones on this contract, I'm not referring to any other.
Yes.
So for record purposes, which agreement are you referring to? For which employee?
There's Nancy Manjira.
There isn't the one for Nancy.
Yes.
Let's go there. So I just want to see.
There's
just,
Matthews Mapwani also.
no, just let's go. Let's use one for Nancy. I want you to show this quarter. Those updates by your employees. Of the money received, or communication, because you see it will either through WhatsApp or email.
Is your question subject to the matter at hand?
Yes.
Yeah.
Where you are being updated. You have said that they were authorized to transact.
Definitely.
Yes.
Yeah.
Just show me where they are updating you. This is the amount of receipt today. This is what has happened. Let me say on the first time, there is no such communication.
Like, now
Them
that
updating you.
updating,
Yes.
confidential.
Okay.
Yes, yes,
Confidential.
yes.
Very confidential. Let's go to paragraph 5. Talks about remuneration. The amount that are being paid. In this sense, in this instance, we're using Nancy Nyagala Bungo. She will be receiving 50,000. The same was subject to statutory deductions, right?
Are we dealing with the matter at hand? The charges
no,
at
no.
hand?
We're
No, I'm
coming
trying.
there.
No, I'm trying. You know, Wakili, you went to school, and there's charges which are before
you're
court.
not the one asking questions,
Yes.
someone is asking questions.
Yes,
So save on time.
I'm trying to
No, if you
refresh
answer my
your
questions,
memory.
we'll move fast.
I'm trying to refresh your memory.
Director, if you answer my questions, we will move fast.
Yes.
So it's simple. They were subject to statutory deductions, right?
Yes.
Thank you. You just need a basic. You paying them? And the statutory deductions.
Confidential.
Thank you. So they're not before court, right? So there's no evidence of you paying them salaries, right?
Still
What is
confident.
it?
My employees are not the accused here.
Okay.
Yes.
So there's no such thing. No problem. We will move on. Now,
How many minutes are remaining? Do my places. You must understand. Again?
written statement. Ask the prosecution to just find the
Which one? The first one or the second one?
both. They are all, both of them are here.
Yes, you can proceed. Go ahead.
Written at Langata was the first one, right? The one written at Langata.
Very good. Very good.
Okay. So, there's a paragraph there where you stated that at the end of August 2020, you had given Brian 40 clients and only 5 were successful.
Which paragraph?
Still on just page 1, the second paragraph, the third last line.
Mm-hmm.
On the same page on that.
Yes, I'm on the same page.
Okay. I want to confirm to you that your employee who was updating you states something different. That at that time, that is specific on which employee, Nancy Nyagala.
Go ahead.
As at the end of 2022, she states, you have given Brian 383 clients and only 8 were successful.
That's which paragraph? Now that's Nancy Nyagala.
Yes, that is what she said. I just wanted to stay with you.
I think there's
Detail is a further statement.
further statement or the first statement.
First statement, finance.
Paragraph. Which paragraph, Council?
Okay. I think it says on the first time. Anyway, just to say on the first time, we'll move on from that. Also, in your statement, you said that
Which paragraph, Council, please?
that you issue from your statement.
Paragraph.
Yes, you
Please.
stated that you issued the plan of Obare with 600 plans.
600 what?
Plans.
Which paragraph? Are
And
you?
this is information that should be known to you.
It is easy. You have the statement. You can just say second page,
Second
paragraph
page,
3.
then you assist
It's
second
easy,
page.
Council. You went to
Second
school.
page.
Second page.
Second page, it's like the first paragraph, we talk like 600 people.
On the further statement or the statement of
No,
Langata?
the one that was testifying, when you wrote at Langata.
Yes, a down payment of 125,000.
Second
that.
page. Second page. From the 600, but it was around 40 visas. That is what you said in your statement.
Because I have the statements over here,
In your statement.
it is better that way.
It's highlighted. Just read that statement.
M-Pesa and bank and Nancy Najida also forwarded. From the said 600 people, Brian gave us around 40 visas.
Yes, that is all.
Yes.
That is all I wanted. And confirm to the court that during examination in chief, the last time you were in court,
Yes.
you stated 700 clients.
I said over 700 because Brian was dealing with more than 6 employees of the company. Yes.
It's okay, it's okay.
Yes.
You just confirm that. That's all I wanted to confirm. No.
Any other question, Council?
Were there any successful applicants that Brian issued to?
He gave us visas, but they were denied exit from the Kenyan Airports Authority.
What was that? Brian's role was to issue visas, right?
Genuine visas.
Okay. I'm just going to ask you.
Yes.
You said 600, but the applicants, 40 was successful.
I said over 600 because we have every
Okay.
every
Confirm
contract
from
of
your statement that
Yes.
you said 40 was successful.
40 years. He gave us the visas, but they were
That is
denied.
okay.
Yes.
That is okay.
Yes.
I want to put it to you that the first witness, your wife, stated that none was successful.
Now that's her.
Oh,
Yes.
but they were reporting to you, right?
Yes.
Okay. Okay. I want also to put it to you that another employees by the name of Nancy stated 71 successful and they traveled.
Did she confirm they traveled?
That
Because
is what-
none of them, because
that is all she said.
which paragraph was this? We need to confirm.
Okay, I just wanted
Yes.
to comment on it.
Well,
Do you agree with that or not?
that I do not agree, because none left the country
Okay, that is okay.
with the fake visas, yes.
At some point, you have mentioned that you have been forced to refund these clients, right?
Very true.
Have you, before this court, shown any evidence, the same way you've shown evidence of money transaction,
Yes.
alleged money transactions to them, have you produced any evidence of the refund?
Yes.
I believe you are want to refer to something that we will get to the prosecution.
So in terms of refund, we'll go via the documents which were supplied plus the M-Pesa statement number.
Now, I have a question.
Yes.
Why did the prosecution not give it to me?
They are there. You have several documents.
Where is it? Because you have not seen it in simple terms. That is what I'm saying.
They are supplied. Your Honor, we had over 10,000 documents that we had to supply,
Okay.
and you are supplied with every relevant document.
I don't even know if the court has it, but we'll move on from that. In total, how much did you give to Brian?
What is on record?
Okay, what is on record?
What is
You
on
must know. What is on record?
Yes, it is over 51 million.
Over 51 million.
Yes. But what we gave him,
it
what
is okay.
you've asked a question. Let me answer it. But
I've asked you the amount.
yes,
It is simple.
yes,
It is very simple.
we gave
Just
him
answer.
over 82 million. But what is recorded is 51 million.
It is okay.
Yes.
These are all company. I believe you should have your books of accounts. I'm very specific in this question. Have you produced audited accounts of how much was given to him?
Weren't you not supplied?
Audited accounts. When I say audited, it needs to be audited
By
an
from
accountant.
accountant? Yes.
Yes.
That's what I'm trying to ask you. Weren't
Also,
you?
you supplied to the prosecution. That is what you're trying to say.
You don't have them.
No, I don't have. It seems the prosecution did not furnish us with it.
Any other question, Council?
I think I'll hand over to my colleague to finalize on the questions.
Yes, and I think it took you less than 10 minutes.
You want to do that very quickly.
How many minutes to be precise?
How many minutes you need so that then you can speak? Well, you can give me because of the way
I left before.
before you say
Proceed.
I'll just go straight to the charge sheet. Count number 1. Confirm that the amount that we stated is more than 51 million. That you
Come
said
again.
you have confirmed that the amount you're talking about is more than 51.
That Brian received.
Yes.
Okay, clarify on the question.
Confirm is more than 51 million Kenya shillings.
Yes, I do confirm.
Perfect. 2. Confirm there was a business arrangement between you and Brian. Go faster.
Yes.
There was a business arrangement. Confirm there was some origination. Complainants of this amount of money are your clients. Is that not true?
If we've done the refund,
Please just say yes or no.
No.
These amounts belong to your client,
Not,
not Golden Key.
not my clients, because I actually paid them back. It is not their money. And that's why I'm not in court.
I'm asking you one
Yes.
question. Please answer as they come. Do you have any one witness who applied for this visa who's coming as a witness in this matter?
There is.
There is?
Yes.
Give us names, 2, 3 names.
We have 700.
700.
Yes.
Perfectly. Do you have receipts of the amount that you gave Brian in total? Yes or no?
Receipts or bank statements.
I'm talking about receipts. Please stop evading question. You know when you're trying to lie, it's so simple to refuse answer
Who's lying,
question.
counsel?
Do you have any receipts from these specific clients to show that they applied and they paid money to you?
Yes.
Where's the evidence?
The evidence are here. You have over 800 applications and you are supplied.
Please confirm to this court that these documents that you are talking about are in bundles. So let me help you. Do you have a specific name of one applicant?
Yes.
Read that name.
There's
Go
several.
by that name.
Several.
Read the names.
Abdurrahman Ali Asa.
Abrahman Ali Hasman. How much did that man give the Golden Key?
150.
150,000. How much of that money did you give to Brian?
124,500 shillings.
124,000 Kenya shillings. Do you have that acknowledgement of that money to Brian?
Yes.
Where is that amount in your document?
You've been supplied with those documents.
And I keep repeating this. You cannot bring a bundle of documents and expect us to answer for ourselves.
No, you
Please
received.
show us specifically, as the
That-
director of Golden Key, specific entries.
Then I do have an objection. If counsel insists on the same, then you should not be on time.
Let's proceed so that we save a little bit of time. It's
Yes.
constraint of time.
The same can be shown.
Show for Abdurrahman Isman. I am interested with that one. You
Yes.
can come up with another name.
That's my point.
If you don't
There's-
have it, just let's
No,
go.
there's here. There's Abdiwele also.
No, that specific entry. Show us. 700. Show us any page. So we are dealing with who? Abdurrahman.
There's Abdiwele. I told you there are over 700.
Your Honor, I'm not referring to any of these documents being produced.
You know,
I'm asking
the same
specifically, Your Honor.
documents were supplied
Your Honor, let me just,
to the
because they are at the back of
accused.
my mind, I'm referring to PMFI 19, 2021 that was marked in this court. Please tell us that name and identify for us that specific name of that person.
PMFI.
Then again, I do object.
Your Honor, I think
As-
there's a problem with the way
Your Honor,
counsel is trying to address this issue.
Can-
A witness who's
What is an issue?
You know, he addressed the court.
is referring to a specific page in a big
The-
bundle. If the witness would be given time to.
Also met specific reference to
Yes.
PMFI 17, 18, 19.
Yes.
From 18 to 21.
I thought that was specific. As Mr. Mutai.
No, I'm asking. He's saying the specific transaction, so it might take some time for him to peruse the entire document.
I want us to say
If the time is not there, just say you are not in a position so that you make progress.
The documents were supplied. The dates are there.
You know that's the answer. Let's go to the book that got lost at your office. Does that book contains your book of accounts?
Not really.
It does not. You know I'm referring to count rate. Where the charge is personation contrary to section 382 of the penal code. Did Brian tell you that he was working as a consular officer?
Yes, and he actually showed me
That's
his
perfect.
ID.
You already answered.
Yes.
How did they tell you? Do you have any communication or evidence to that fact?
We were in the office and I have witnesses.
Do you have evidence to that fact? Through document?
I have witnesses on record.
Your Honor, you hear the answers? Did you have any document is note from that office?
Yes, from the DC.
Show me that document then so that the court can refer to it.
The document is here. Do you want me to? Oh, it's PMFI 10. It's
You know, I'm referring to a bundle of emails. I believe there are like 6. I'm well aware. That's why I'm asking you to read to us. I've had this file for a while. Please just read that specific notice.
it says, attention, Mr. Benson Kasuku.
So let's start here.
Yes.
Where does it originate? Who is the maker of that document?
The maker is from the DCI. And there is another
From the
one.
DCI. Please answer
Yes.
the question. Who is the maker of that document?
DCI.
From the DCI.
Yes.
Addressed to who?
Addressed to Canadian High.
Canadian High Commission. What is the finding of that document? At the end.
So here it says, through the Ministry of Foreign Affairs, we previously requested for information concerning a suspect by the name Brian Reeves Obare, holder of passport AK007.
It's okay because of time. Does it show anywhere that Brian Obare is not a consular officer? Maswali rahisi mboga mboga. If you don't know, just say it.
There are several emails.
There are
I'm,
several- no,
I'm
that's
going.
the answer. There are
I'm,
several emails you cannot.
I'm going through them. Per every
Please specify how much money in total.
Wakili, you give me time to question or you
You're not
answer
going
it
to answer
by
the way you
yourself.
want it. You're going to answer the way I'm asking you. Please. Bilioni how much?
For every successful application,
Honor,
he was being paid.
We are dealing
Your
with
Honor, application,
And
Brian
the guy
was
was
to be
running.
paid 450,000.
Mona, I kindly seek that the witness be directed to answer this specific question. There are 3 final questions.
Yes, and I know you are compressed of time, but when the witness is also being limited, asking to limit of time. So proceed. So what was your question?
How much money did you pay Brian Obare for the work done?
For the work done,
Yes.
how much did he receive?
Now,
That's the answer. How
Now,
much did
you know
you
you
pay?
don't, when you are given an attitude to answer a question, you don't answer a question, you respond to that question.
Yes.
You see? You respond to that question.
Come again, Counsel.
I'm not going to repeat that question. Please answer your part. Was Brian supposed to get some money for the work done?
He did get
How much?
for every successful that he made.
Not every
400.
successful. We are talking about 700 individuals. How much was he paid in total for 700 applicants?
For 700, he got to almost 82.
Almost. You don't have the figure.
It's
No,
actually
let's go to the next question. Huh?
82 million.
If you put all these accounts that were open, you remember those account opening forms? You're the director. Can you help me understand how much in total did Lydia's account pay to Brian?
Mhm.
We're talking about
Lydia,
the total amount.
for Lydia, you said Lydia. Lydia.
Okay, let's take that one. How much in total?
Lydia paid almost 600,000.
You don't have a specific figure?
Last time I was in court,
You know that's the answer, almost. What about Lydia? Almost how much?
you've repeated the same Lidia counsel. You went to school
How
counsel.
much for-
Refresh
for
your
that-
question. Nancy paid over 20 million.
You know the answer is over 20 million.
Yes.
How much for the lady by the name Grace Wamboka?
Over 20 million.
You know the answer is 20 million. Let's go to refund. How much did you refund from the side of Nancy?
Refunds now to whom?
To whichever person. How much for Nancy?
Nancy over 15 million.
You answer the answer is over 10 million. What about Lydia? You
Around
can say the same, over certain amounts of money, right? Let's go back to the issue of account opening. Are you aware that these accounts which have been presented before this court are personal accounts?
yeah, their personal accounts
You know,
very
that's
true,
the answer.
attached
You
to
also,
the
Your
company.
Honor, I wish to finish by the document that we marked as Your Honor, that is DMFI 12. Have a look at this document in online. Those are acknowledgement forms for applicants through your company. Is that true? They're already on the court record, so please save time. That is a format that those applicants used to use, right?
Yeah.
Work that they are seeking from the first document. Be mindful of the time that I have. The first document.
So I'm trying to see the document.
No, I'm asking the question from this document is in court. Kindly read out what the application is about.
You know, we have incidents whereby you've been cooking documents. I want to see the ones which were produced to the prosecution, not from your side.
It was marked. It is our document, Your Honor.
Sure.
Yes. These are not actually, Your Honor. They have already referred to it. Kindly just let us know what were they applying for the first document. It is there. I know why you're trying to avoid it, but you can read. What is the work supposed to be for the first page?
Here it states, position applied for truck drive.
That's okay. The second one, the same place.
Applied for? I didn't get the what?
Truck driver.
The second one. To the same place. They are all highlighted. We'll go with that one that has been mentioned. Please confirm that the visa that you were supposed to verify for you to organize for
Information about them operating personal accounts, confirm that is captured in the employment contract.
The information about operating the personal accounts, it is captured in our employment forms.
Good.
Yes.
I also want you to offer a clarity. That anything to do with the investigation by the DCI was out of your docket.
Very true.
Okay.
Every investigation wasn't done by me.
And anything to do with the veracity of the accused person being consulate or not will be offered by the DCI.
Very true.
Most of
The DCI will come up with that.
All right. There is a question that you have been asked about how Brian presented himself, and you asked whether you have any evidence, and you're talking about witnesses on that. So you can offer clarity how he presented himself and whether there is any evidence to that.
When we had a meeting with Brian Reeves Obare, he actually showed us an ID stating that he's a consulate at the Canadian embassy. And in that room, we were three of us. I was with Lidia Nyagala, and I was also with Nancy Nyagala. We saw the document. Yes.
So the evidence that will back up or will corroborate your words is a witness who was present at that particular time.
For that particular time, yes.
Okay.
And there's also there's also a WhatsApp that they brought through, where it is here. I have it also on paper, and they also supply, where it clearly states, Brian says this, from the number 0704 780 790. Brian was actually told by one of my staff, confirm for me the status. He went for biometrics on Friday. Then Brian wrote, noted, nimeenda training Gigiri Embassy. Narudi ofisi at 1 p.m. We'll check. Sawa sawa. Yes. So we also have conversations whereby he was talking like a consular.
All right.
Yes.
You have offered good clarity on that. Yes. There's also another question that you were asked on something to do with receipts and all that. I want you to confirm before this court that all the transactions that took place, you referred to them when you're giving your examination in chief.
Come again?
The documents,
yes.
the transactions.
Yes, yes.
Okay, first of all, confirm that all these transactions have been supplied to the Defense Council.
All the transactions have been supplied to the Defense Council.
And you talked about them during your examination in chief.
Very true.
Good. There is also another question that you have been asked on whether the money you are complaining about belonged to you or belonged to the client. I want you to offer clarity. Well, even if originally the money was belonged to the client, through whom was that money going through, was passing through?
The monies were being paid to our company. Some were being paid to our employees. And across the line, when majority of clients came back and were claiming for their money, we actually did a refund. That's why we are not in court, or we are not an accused in any matter.
So after the clients who paid the money complained, you paid, and you have demonstrated that to court.
And I have demonstrated that to court.
Most of pleasure.
Yes.
Good. And you have been asked a question on some persons that, or whether you have any evidence before this court of people who you refunded. Can you mention at least 5?
Yes,
as a clarity.
I can mention 5, inclusive of the M-Pesa transactions. There was one made to Abdi through my telephone number 0720 117 608. On the 2024 January 30th, I made a refund of 60,000. This is transaction number.
You can just mention the name and the amount. The court will have the benefit of perusing the.
Yeah. Okay. And on the and on the same date, 2024 January 30th, I also made a refund of 200,000. And we can also go to Nancy Nyagala's statement from number 0701018103. She actually refunded 185,000 on the 2nd June 2023 to Abdikani Abdullahi.
All right, let's go with those ones. Huh?
Yes.
And Also, there's a question that you asked on whether you had listed all the clients in your statement, the total number of clients in your statement. Can you offer clarity? By the time you are recording your police statement, had the DCIs finalized on the investigation?
No, by the time we were recording our statements and the further statements, the DCI hadn't concluded on the investigations.
And confirm that during your examination in chief, you presented a list of the clients.
I presented a list of over 600 clients.
Marked as PMFI number 19.
Marked as PMFI number 19. Very good.
There's another question that you were being asked some questions. I want you to just offer clarity that the trial before this court, the court is supposed to try and test the matters in the charge sheet strictly.
Very true.
Good. Now, there is an issue that I want you to offer clarity.
Very
That
true.
has been, you have been asked so many questions about it.
Yes.
And I will just collapse all the questions into one.
Okay.
And I want you to explain to this court the issue of company. You have been asked about a company that got registered in 2024, in 2023,
Yes.
and you wanted to offer clarity,
Yes.
the reason behind that.
Yes.
You can offer that clarity.
So when this company started back in late 2021,
You can say the name of the company when you refer to it. When this name
it
of
was
the
it was a business name.
okay.
By then it used to be called Golden Key. So by the time I came in, I told them it is better because of the client flow, let us now register it under the Kenyan Companies Act. So a year later, because from 2023, we also made it into a limited company. Now it became to Golden Key. It started as Golden Key, and now it changed into Golden Key. Yes.
Confirm that in all those, all the business name, the first company and the second company, they are referring to one and the same company.
They are referring to one and the same company.
And you have presented documents to that effect before this court.
Yes, I did present all the documents.
Good. Also, the issue to do with employment contracts. Confirm to this court or offer clarity during when this company was operating as a business name, and during the time that this company is operating as a limited company under Golden and under Golden, were you still operating with the same employees?
Yes, we were still operating with the same employees.
Under the same employment contracts?
Under the same employment contracts.
Good. So, there is a business permit that has been presented to you, dated 28th of February 2024.
Very true.
And you were asked a question in relation to that. The charge sheet spans all the way to January 2024, and you were offering a clarification
Very
on
true.
this particular permit dated 28th of February.
Very
So
true.
offer that clarity.
So from the permit, basically, the company was still working, and now we wanted to change it into a limited company, whereby we can, under now the Companies Act. So by the time we noted that there's interest in the company and there's a flow of mass, meaning clients, we sat down as a company and had a resolution with, yeah?
2 minutes.
Yana, can you make them 5 kindly?
2 minutes. 3.
Okay, thank you.
So we sat down and we made a resolution of actually changing now the company into a limited company. We had meetings, we had agendas, and I also presented the same before this court. Yes.
And so even at the time or during the time of this permit of February 28th of February 2024, the company was still running.
The company was still running.
Good.
Very true.
Okay. Another clarification that I want you to offer. You have been asked a question on whether you had resolutions allowing you to be here and all those things.
Very true.
Confirm that you have resolutions before this court.
I do have resolutions before this.
And that the same resolutions was applied to the defense.
They were supplied to the defense.
And it's in the inventory that was signed and submitted to court.
I can attest to that. Very true.
The resolution of number 21 in the inventory. Yes, yeah. Also confirm that in all other matters that you are asked, there's an affidavit that you are shown here, signed by the IO and some other document, and confirm that your evidence is per your statement and what you testified in examination in chief.
Very true.
And the documents that you have owned.
Very true. The document that I've owned and signed by myself. Very true.
Good. You know, that's all for this witness. We don't have another witness for today. Thank you. I'll be praying for another date, you know.
Just to point out that we have another date for 13th of May. I don't know how many more witnesses are remaining so that you can get an invitation.
We moved the dates to June because I may not be available.
Please continue. What's your number? Depending on the number of witnesses, we can have two consecutive dates. Several courts there.
10th and 11th?
That will be convenient to me.
Most obliged, Your Honor.
Thank you so much.
10th and 11th?
Yes.
For further hearing. How many witnesses did confirm? Remaining?
Around 7 witnesses.
7.
Yes, you know.
How long? Or brief are they?
You know, it depends with the
Are they,
witness.
I think the most, longest witness was the one we have in the court. Let's have 2 in the 10th and 2 on the 11th.
Most obliged, Your Honor. Well guided.